Hey, what's up, Aaron here? Hope you're doing well. If you're watching this video right now, you might be checking out the eBay affiliate program and maybe you're wondering, is this legit? Can you make good money this way? Or is it a big waste of time? Let's check it out, okay? Now, at any time, if you want to find out my favorite way to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month, 100% from home, just click the link below and I'll share with you my favorite strategy. Now, on this channel, I've reviewed literally hundreds and hundreds of different strategies to make money online. Some of them are really good, some of them are so-so. A lot of them, though, are a big waste of time. So let's check out eBay to find out whether their affiliate program is a good way for you to start making money from home, okay? Now, eBay obviously doesn't need any introduction. It's one of the oldest e-commerce platforms out there. It actually started off as people selling old junk from their houses, from their garages, and they could just kind of share stuff here. But now it's really changed into basically a very big e-commerce website. It's pretty much like Amazon, okay? So if you come to eBay right here, you can come to, they've got so many categories: electronics, fashion, computer and tablets, right? Jewelry and watches. So let's just check out some of the watches right here. And people sell all sorts of stuff, okay? This is in my currency because I'm based in Malaysia, but it would, be in your currency, whatever it is, all right? And people are selling all sorts of stuff. Some of them are used, but some of them are new as well. You just have to check it out, okay? Now, you could actually join the eBay Partner Network, okay? That's what it's officially called, and it's right here. It's called the eBay Partner Network, and you can become an affiliate where you can resell these products. So if you were to come to the watch right here, right, or whatever, these watches right here, and you were to recommend this women's Burgee watch, okay? When somebody buys it from your link, you will make a commission. Now, we'll talk about how much commissions you can make a little bit later on. And this is a really great way to make money online because you're doing affiliate marketing. It's like referral marketing, right? You just send people from your TikTok channel, your Instagram channel, your YouTube channel, your email list, whatever it is, to your link. They buy, you make a commission directly from eBay, okay? Now, to find or get access to the eBay Partner Network, you would just come into Google and type out eBay affiliate, okay? So it's a specific link, and you'll see here eBay Partner Network homepage. You click on that, and it'll lead you to this page right here. It's just partnernetwork.ebay.com, all right? And you would either log in or you would sign up right here on the top right-hand side to get access to the eBay Partner Network, right? And it's actually very simple. All you're doing is you're signing up, and once you get signed up, you can literally scroll to any product that you want on eBay, all right? And if you want to sell it, you would just click the link on the side. You would get your specific affiliate link, and then you would take that specific affiliate link and you would promote it all over the internet or to your audience, your followers, on your YouTube channel, your TikTok video, whatever you want, right? And when people go to that link and they buy, then you make a commission, all right? Now, here's the big question. Let's talk about some of the big details, right? How much do you get paid by the eBay Partner Network? So this is the sign up page right here, all right? And if you scroll down, you will see that they pay out depending on what category it is, okay? So if it's in the business and in the industrial, you will make 2.5% of the order amount. All right, so if the product costs $10, for example, 10 US dollars, right, times 2.5%, you'll make 25 cents. Okay, not a lot of commissions, and we'll talk about the pros and cons of this in a second, but that's how much you would make, okay? If it's in the art and antiques, it's 3% of the order amount, and coins and paper would be 3%. So 3% slightly higher. If it's $10 times 3%, you would make 30 cents, okay? Commissions, very, very little, right? Now, 3% and 2.5% is definitely on the lower scale of commissions, but it's very in line with what Amazon Associates does as well. So if you were to sell on the Amazon network, right, same thing, you would grab a link on the Amazon platform. They pay between 3% and 5%. So they pay slightly more, but it's still very low because it's physical products. When you sell physical products through networks like Etsy, like TikTok, like eBay, like Amazon, the commission rates are generally quite low. TikTok a little bit higher, 10%, 15%, so you might want to check that out. But because it's a physical item and there's a manufacturing cost involved, they can't pay out that much commissions, okay? So unfortunately, to make a lot of money through the eBay Partner Program, through eBay affiliate marketing, you have to sell hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of units, or you have to focus on items that are more expensive. So instead of selling, for example, a $10 cheap watch, you might want to sell something that's a little bit more expensive like this, right? This is 4,888 ringgit, my currency. So 4,888 divided by 4.5, that's about $1,000, okay? $1,000 times 3% commissions, that's $32 in commissions. Still really low for a 1,000 US dollar product, right? And that's kind of why selling physical products isn't that great. Okay, it's kind of crappy, honestly, and I'll give you the solution in a second. Okay, but that's kind of the eBay affiliate program. It's very easy, right? The only thing that there are a couple of things that I don't like about the eBay affiliate program or the partner network is that the commissions are very low. That's very normal, right, for physical products, like I mentioned earlier. They also only have a 1-day cookie window. That means that if somebody clicks on your affiliate link and they don't buy that day, if they come back tomorrow and they buy directly from here, then you don't get the commission, right? But with other networks, usually they have a 30-day cookie window. That means that if they click on your affiliate link but they come back directly to that website 30 days later, you will still get the commission because they clicked on your affiliate link first. Okay, so unfortunately eBay is pretty strict with that and it's very short. It's only 1 day, 24 hours, which is pretty crap, to be honest. They pay out through PayPal. All right, so if you have a PayPal account, you know, PayPal is available pretty much in hundreds of countries around the world, so that's how you would get paid out. All right, so that's a little bit about the eBay partner program. What do I think of this? Can you make a lot of money with eBay? So here's the thing, right? I think that the eBay partner network is only good if you're already a huge influencer. Maybe you have a big following, you have a massive audience, right? Or you have an email list where you know that they're very interested in very specific things like tech or video games or whatever it is, gardening, right? And then you can just tap into that pool of people because you've already built it, all right? But if you're a beginner right now, you're just getting started, you don't have a follower base, you don't have a big following on TikTok or Instagram or YouTube or anything like that, then I think the eBay Partner Network is pretty crappy, to be honest, right? Because of the few reasons that I mentioned earlier. First of all, the commission rates are just so low. It's going to be very, very difficult for you to make money. I mean, you would literally, okay, need to generate thousands of sales every single month if you want to hit $5,000 to $10,000 a month in profit. All right, otherwise you'll never be able to run this as a real legitimate business. Okay, and because the commissions are so low, your price points have to be higher and you have to sell volume, which is actually a very difficult thing to do unless you have millions and millions of people following you, which you probably don't have right now. Okay, so for that reason alone, that's why I don't like selling physical stuff. I prefer selling digital stuff, digital courses, digital tools, digital software, digital platforms. Okay, because it's digital, there's no manufacturing cost, so they can pay a lot higher commissions, and the commissions are ridiculously high compared to this stuff. This is 3%, right? You can see right here. Okay, digital stuff, you're making commissions like 40 to 80%. It's a lot higher. So because it's so much higher, you don't have to sell that many products to get to $5,000 to $10,000 a month. Okay, now there are a lot of platforms out there that sell digital products, okay, but I will share with you my favorite towards the end of the video, so make sure you stick around. All right, so that's kind of my review of the eBay Partner Network. I think it's so-so. It's one of the older ones, right? It's been around for a long time. I think the commissions are crap, to be honest. I don't like selling physical stuff, but the business model of referring people to products just through a link, I think is a great model, right? You just have to pick the right products for you to sell. The other thing as well is if you're already established, then this might be a cool thing to just tap into. You don't have to focus 100% on eBay, but once in a while, if you like a great item and you already have 1 million people following you, you can be like, hey, there's this great, you know, I don't know, a YouTube pillow that I like. Check out this link right here, and you could, you know, you could sell like 1,000 of them, and you can make a little bit of money, right? If you're established. But if you're a beginner or you just want to get started selling affiliate products online, I don't think that eBay is the right decision to go. I wouldn't do this, right? Because it's just way too hard and you make way too little money for it to be, I think, a viable business model, to be honest, right? So that's kind of my thoughts on eBay. So, but if you want to check it out, partnernetwork.ebay.com. All right, now if you're here watching this video right now, I think that affiliate marketing is the best, okay? I've made millions of dollars from affiliate marketing. The thing though is there are specific products that you should sell, and you should sell them in a specific way to maximize your commissions. And if you would like to learn that, I've got a free masterclass that will lay everything out for you. If you want to check it out, click the link below and I will show you that step by step for free, all right? I hope you enjoyed this review of the eBay Partner Network, and I will see you soon on another video review. Take care.